Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another hair tutorial. Today's wig is from Domiso Hair and this is their Wear and Go Glueless Highlighted Kinky Curly Wig. You guys know how I feel about some kinky curly wigs. I love the highlights and this one is 100% glueless, which means you can just throw it on and leave your house. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just continue to watch. Okay, just giving you guys a very quick unboxing. Now here is the hair. Once again, this is the Wear and Go Glueless Highlighted Kinky Curly Wig from Domiso Hair. Now I love the highlights for one because you guys know I think that the highlights bring out my skin tone. That lace does come pre-plucked for you and it also comes pre-cut. So to all my beginners out there, or even if you're not technically a beginner but you hate having to cut the lace on your wigs, you do not have to worry about that with this one. The dome cap is actually a lot more breathable and a lot more comfortable, and she also has that adjustable strap for a nice glueless install. So I'm going to give you guys a close-up again of the inside of the wig, the adjustable strap, and the lace as well because I did bleach it just a little bit more to my preference. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is just add some makeup on the lace. Now the lace obviously melts into your skin even before adding the makeup like I showed you guys, but when you throw her on you will realize it just looks a little off. So adding the foundation just helps the lace to melt into your skin a whole lot better. Then you're going to adjust that adjustable strap to your preference. Now to all my girlies out there who are worried if you have like too big of a head for certain wigs or even too small of a head, you do not have to worry about that with this specific wig because that's what the adjustable straps are for. You just adjust it to your preference. So it is literally designed to fit anybody's head. So once you have the wig on and it's nice and comfortable, what I like to do is just comb the hair back a little bit, and I use my wax stick and my hot comb for that, and then I'm going to add some more foundation wherever it's needed. Okay, you guys, so I know the lace does not look ideal just yet, but don't worry, we're gonna fix her. But I am sticking with a middle part today, but this lace does have a lot of room, so if you want to do a side part or like a cute little half up half down style, you actually can do that with this one. This is a closure, but it kind of gives frontal with how much room it has on the lace. So I'm securing my middle part with the wax stick and my hot comb. I will be adding a little bit more makeup on that middle part as well, and then I'm also going to be doing my little technique with my wax stick and the hot comb just to make sure the top of the wig is laying as flat as possible. Even with curly wigs, I still like to do that process because I need the top of my wigs to look flat. Otherwise, it just looks way too bulky for me. Alright, the lace is looking really good. I love how flat the top got, so now it's time to style the rest of the hair. I'm just going to saturate the hair with some water. Now with kinky curly textures, I normally just like to finger detangle because I feel like that's the best way to really make those curls pop and to also get rid of any like knots or anything like that. But just so you guys know, this hair specifically did not have like any crazy amount of shedding or anything like that. But again, when it comes to kinky curly wigs, I like to treat them like it's my natural hair. So I'm still gentle and I do not detangle unless the hair is saturated with water or conditioner. So once the hair is saturated with enough water, that's when I go in with some mousse just to really make those curls pop. Okay, you guys, and we are actually finished. This is how the hair looked when it was still pretty wet, but as you guys can see, those curls were nice and popping. The highlights definitely bring out the texture of these curls as well. And again, we did not use any product to secure this lace down, so this is literally like a 1, 2, 3 type of wig install. Definitely perfect to all of my beginners out there. And I also feel like this wig is great for any occasion, whether it's for work or you're going out or anything like that. Especially if you are rushing somewhere, this is the perfect wig to grab and just throw on. So I will have all of the information listed in the description box down below, including the direct link to this wig in itself. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that you found this video helpful, and I will see you guys next time.